Welcome to a tutorial on how to crochet a magic circle. Today you will need the yarn of your choice. For this tutorial, it doesn't matter what type of yarn you use. However, I recommend one where you can easily see your stitches. This makes it easier to learn where to insert your stitches. You'll also need a crochet hook that is the corresponding size to the yarn. The size needed can be found at the back of the yarn packaging. It is often depicted as a knitting needle, but the sizing is the same. Let's begin. So a magic circle is the base of most amigurumi plushies. It is used to create 3D elements. Take your yarn and place it over your hand, making sure to leave a roughly 8 cm tail. Wrap 2 fingers around the yarn to keep it in place. Continue wrapping the yarn around. Wrap the yarn to create an X shape. Place your thumb over the tail and release the 2 fingers you were using to hold the yarn. Rotate your hand. Secure tail in between your pinky and ring finger. Grab your crochet hook. Insert your hook under the first loop and then go over the second loop. Pull your hook. Rotate your hook so it's facing up. Push the loop further up the hook. Insert your hook into the tail you're holding with your pinky finger. Hold the tail with your middle finger and hold the knot that's about to become a slip stitch with your thumb. Pull your new loop through the existing one to complete the slip stitch. Using your other hand to hold your magic ring, remove your hand. Insert 6 single crochets into the magic circle. To do this, you must insert your hook under the yarn like you would into the previous row stitch. Most patterns call for 6 single crochets as it makes it easier to create a more even circle due to the ability to increase and decrease evenly throughout the project. I will meet you back here after we finish the 6 single crochets. Remove your crochet hook from the loop. Make the loop bigger by pulling on it. Pull the tail to close the magic circle. Reinsert the crochet hook into the loop. Pull the tail to make the loop smaller again. Insert 2 single crochets into the next stitch. Make sure to go through both loops. Repeat in the next 5 stitches. You have now successfully made your first magic circle. Congratulations! Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe.